Today I am at the Goodwill Outlet Bins. The parking lot's kind of empty. Of course, they're about to close in an hour. I feel like the only time I can make it here is at the end of the day. But the last time I came at the end of the day, if y'all watched that video, I found lots of good stuff. So let's go in and see what they have. Oh wow, it looks packed with stuff today. I see a little canister in here. I really like the shape of it, and it has a sealed top. I think I'm gonna give this. I could put maybe like a little mold or something on it. See how it has this bell shape? I really like that. I just spotted these two clocks, and I don't normally pick up clocks, but I've been seeing these at estate sales, and they are always so expensive. This one says Baby Bin brand. Do y'all know anything about that? It has a cool look to it. Grab that one. I'm gonna grab this one. I have this crystal one as well that's very heavy. This is really pretty. I love the look of this one. That would be great just on a stack of book. It says quartz on it, made in Germany. That might be worth looking up. Like they have a few handmade pottery pieces. This is a little cup, and then they have this little semicircled one. It's very heavy. It has this little signature on the bottom. It looks like K-E-I-H-O maybe? I don't know. And then this little mug right here. There's a very interesting glass decanter, I think it is. Look at the sides. It has a flower in it. Is that supposed to be there? I don't know how you like get that out. What is this? Oh, this is cute. I think this is milk glass. And it has this little rusty handle. That's cute. Going in my cart. What else is in this one? Oh, this is interesting as well. This piece, that's a plastic top. It just has some numbers on the bottom. Some little pictures. They have this picture right here. It does have some pieces missing, but I feel like it's not that obvious. It's definitely a dark and moody vase. I have a customer that I know would scoop this up in a heartbeat, but it is so big and heavy. I do not want to ship it, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave that piece here, and hopefully somebody else rescues it. Ooh, little brass candlestick. What is this? It's a little trinket box. That's really cute. It's down here. A little topiary. It's all broken. There's some purses. Black leather. Man, I wish I could find a Coach bag. That would just make my day. If y'all don't know, my purse got stolen, and it was like this vintage Coach bag. And I've been carrying around this Michael Kors purse, and I absolutely hate it. So if you're looking for a new purse, I would not recommend this one. I don't like it. I really want my Coach bag back. I love these. I have these at my house, and they look so cute stacked up like this. And then you just put, you know, something on top of it, like a little riser. Not something like that. That's not a good example. But you know what I mean. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get this whole stack for myself. I ended up finding 4 of these little brass candlesticks. So since there's 4 of them, I think I'm going to go ahead and grab them all and put them in my cart. I just found this shelf in here. I'm trying to think where I could put it at in my house. I really like it. I'm gonna put it in a cart and think about it. I really like coming here at the end of the day. Look how I almost have the place to myself. It's so quiet. If I could just get them to turn off the music, that would be absolutely amazing. Man, look at the piles of clothes they have today. They have a few pieces of furniture out. I have a whole doll house right here. I just found this platter. I'm pretty positive it's handmade. It has a name and a date on the back. Look at the edges. I love it. Unfortunately, it does have one chip right there. Y'all see it? I don't know. I don't know if I should get this or not, but I really like it. I love handmade pieces. What's in here? Shalom, y'all. I feel like I should get this just because it says y'all. Somebody needs this. I do really like the look of it too. Look how good it looks with wood. Add that to my cart. What I just found. A mermaid tail purse. Oh my gosh, Sherm would love that. Also got her a few little toys right here, so she is all set up for when I pick her up. Just try to get a few things for my youngest daughter to put in her car seat when I pick her up from school. She's always super excited about what treasures I found for her while I was out thrifting. Not really seeing too much in here. So much picture frames. There's nothing actually in the frames. You're never gonna believe this. I found a Coach bag. I don't know if y'all can see the label right there. It's definitely an older one, and it has, I don't know, it's pretty messed up. It's really cute though. It's definitely my style. I love these like smaller crossbody ones. I'm gonna get it and see what I can do to clean it up. So if y'all have any advice, definitely let me know. I just can't believe I talked about it earlier in the video and then I actually found one. I would love to find the one that got stolen. That's okay. This little pink dish right here says it's cameo ware. Pottery company. Do y'all know anything about that? That's, I feel like some of my customers would really like this. That'd be cute to put some flowers in. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in my cart. It looks good with the stuff I already have in my cart. Alright guys, well I think I'm gonna head out for the day. Like I said, they're about to close, so they're not gonna be bringing out any new bins, but I am very happy with the things that I got. This is something that I definitely don't normally find, so if you like these old clocks, definitely let me know, and I will put a total on the screen of everything, of the amount that I spent today. Hope y'all enjoyed this shopping trip with me, and I will see y'all in the next video.